Hello, Adele Bates here, Behaviour and Education Specialist, keynote speaker and author of Miss I Don't Give a Shit, Engaging with Challenging Behaviour in Schools. Today marks my last day of working with the Hive School here in the Dominican Republic. I've been here for a month, researching their self-directed learning approach to education and training the teachers here for a whole month around behaviour. I've had so much fun. I've learned so much. I've been challenged so much. I've been sharing a lot of it in my community, and there is still so much more to go. I've got loads of notes to write up as well. So in this video I wanted to share with you this wonderful little beach that I've been coming to in my lunch times, and also mark the end of this time. I think there's going to be lots more to come out of it as I reflect. But one of the key reasons I was thinking why I came in the first place is because I really struggle to believe that the way that the education system works at the moment is particularly the right way, or particularly the best way. And I'm here to research different approaches to education, much like when I did my Finland trip as well. You can look at that on the blog if you didn't catch that one. And what I want to do now is share this with as many people as possible. Have I found the perfect solution here? No, I have not. Have I found loads of different ideas that we could put into practice, even in our schools? Yes, I have. And that's the bit that is exciting for me now. So next week I've got, my workshop, the seat just came up. The 3 most common mistakes with behaviour in schools. And this is a workshop that I have now led. This is the 3rd time. Over 600 people have benefited from coming along. And I'm so excited for this time, because even if you've been before, this time I've got lots more to add, because what I've discovered over here is that those 3 common mistakes are pretty universal. So the link will be somewhere. Come along, 25th of May, 8 p.m. BST. It's free, it's online. Bring your colleagues. I cannot wait to share with you all the things I've learned here, plus supporting the teachers back in the UK.